Top 5 Best Smart Switch Without Neutral Wire. No neutral. In this video we only show available and top 5 best smart switch without neutral wire. No neutral. Number 1. CYNC Smart Dimmer Light Switch, no neutral wire required, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi switch, works with Alexa and Google Home. 1 pack, packaging may vary. Add convenience, with your Wi-Fi, dimmer light switches, get convenience, and comfort, with dimming from the CYNC app, and enhanced functionality, like out-of-home control, and scheduling, so you never come home to a dark house. Number 2. Moisco Wi-Fi Smart Single Firewall Light Switch, no neutral wire need, single pole, Smart Life /Tuya remote control, no capacitor required, work with Alexa and Google Home Assistant. 110 volts minimum, 7 watts white. Easily installed, without rewiring your existing wire, with single live wire design, fire retardant material, and no electric arc. New technology, to guarantee secure and reliable working, giving the best look to blend with any wall design. Number 3. Lutron Caséta Wireless Smart Lighting Switch, for all bulb types or fans. PD6ANSWH, white. Peace of mind, set lights, to automatically adjust with seasons, so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. Enable Smart Away, to randomly turn your lights on/off to look like your home even if you're away. Caséta Smart Hub, LBDG2WH, required. Most connected, Caséta connects with more leading smart home devices. Number 4. Lutron Pico Smart Remote Control, for Caséta Smart Dimmer Switch. PJ2BRL3WHLO1R, white. Controls Lutron Caséta, wireless dimmers and plug-in lamp dimmers, sold separately. Turns lights on/off as well as brighten and darken them. Adjust lights from anywhere in the room. Coordinating tabletop, pedestal, and wall plate, sold separately. 10-year battery life, battery included. Number 5. Kasa Smart 3-Way Switch, HS210 Kit, needs neutral wire, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi light switch, works with Alexa and Google Home, UL certified, no hub required, 2-pack. Control from anywhere, and voice control, monitor your light status. Turn electronics on and off from anywhere, with your smartphone, using the Kasa app, whether you are at home, in the office or on vacation. Enjoy the hands-free convenience of controlling the lights in your home, with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest top best product.